Some people, I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. So I'll know Naya na bury in people. You know much months now since Naya get unalive, about 3 months and a half now, you know. You see me? And I'll know him na bury. A pure fool in go on. Me don't even know if there's a time them set for him burial or whatever. Me not hear nothing about it. But me not really follow up the story to that still. You know what I mean? But them depend like the family and the alleged KILLERS, the people that will unalive him, them depend live every day. You see what I say? And this time them a blame one set of people, next time different set, then them gone back to the same people them what them did a blame before, and I saw it a go people. Me no know which part this a go end up as to solving the unaliving of Naya because of pure confusion. But here we go on my people. L.A. Lewis and Blam Dem link up, and Blam Dem and make L.A. Lewis know who unalive Naya. That's what I say. And right here now, boy, we are going to listen to them and hear what them have to say about people. Because at full time now, them all on somebody for Naya still, you know. But a pure confusion surrounding the unaliving. So, them can't zero down upon a person. You see me? So, we also have Cked. I talk about the situation with the lion man, and me remember who, but somebody come in and I say them broke the lion man bad from long time, and that's why I'm able to reach this far and do all of these destructions allegedly, cause nobody know for sure if I him do it, only him alone know, right? So we are gonna get in at that. Also K and I think TikTok liar or something like that did have him on a live, and them a talk about the situation and him a defend him name, and them a kinda, you know what I mean, we are gonna get in that with people because you know say that story are big, and me not feel like say it a go done for now. You see me, it have to do some more days. And boy, me not lie, this thing here, the lion man once again take over the internet. Him say a film internet still, you know. Yeah man, a film internet, film TikTok still. But let me know what you think. You know what I mean? Cause them want to know if Fab release the video them or what. Even actually them I say maybe even she released the video them. But we are gonna get in that my people. Seeing even CPR, we are gonna hear a little bit about cause Blam Dem have it for say CPR rob up the money, but L.A. Lewis boy that you know, CPR you know, my L.A. Lewis good. So L.A. Lewis a different name. So we have all these things with people, and maybe add other things as we go on, so we could kick it off, you know.
So you know, see me go on big promotion with you, man. I play a song also when I. Yeah, but so every time we come live, I will promote my music them, cause you see each other them. When me do fuck with them when me do fuck with them me do fuck with them promo right now, so we go suck out their mama. I'm your Lord TikTok alone. Yeah. So, when me see me I do music, you know, me song Johnny 1 million views in a one day. Yeah, one day, cause we get. Yeah, what more do, man? Send me the song personally. WhatsApp me, take, you know my network, so my network is a normal thing, a trillion record, you know. But I did go on good, man. I did on trend, I did on top table, but you know me ungrateful and I can't tame, so I have to still cuss. Yeah. Cause you go on good, man. They go on good, the big. Every time if I go to the big live and they show money them and so, they go viral, man. Me not lie, me not ungrateful, but me still ungrateful. Me still a go on. If people know me hypocrite already, they not pay me no mind. Yeah, cause that's what me tell them say, with the crush bread thing there. Because me tell them say, listen. Me tell some, that family are crabbing a barrel. Me now go back on that. Blow that, then done. A crush bread kill you, crush bread invite, crush bread hungry. I tell them already. Remember say, I me can't tell the people me truth, you know. Remember going to LA, I me can't tell the people me truth. And tell the people exactly what go on. And then they come out in place. So I don't need to talk about that. And the man, if we go do their work, and the police, if we go do their work. Because you remember, me not informer, I just can't talk the truth. Yeah. So informer different from a man, we talk the truth.
Yeah, but
inform a man, they say a man, you see me? I fuck with that.
yeah, but
Then I fuck with them, do and kill you. So we the affiliate code on that, you see me?
No,
Crush bed the America, crush bed hungry.
but you are going now. What I was trying to get down and blame them because them say no you they get the information from Cushred family which you said you know.
I lie, not no go so. I lie, not no go so. Everybody a whole about everything. I lie them at
Alright, so so how you get the information now?
And so me get famous, them a try get the iPod on me back. Today see me bust out the story. So they want to come back and try. You know, but me done gone already, they can't bother cancel me.
No, your thing can't turn back again because a star is a star.
Yeah, that them a try do, but remember, you know, me international now, you know, me a star. Me a celebrity. Remember, me come say me a celebrity, you know. And it end up being me see me a celebrity for true. So they can't talk to me. Them a low life, you have to just see me on TikTok and on TV and on the phone. I cannot get to me because I'm a celebrity. Me a star. You understand? So listen to me. When they come with their fuckery, we never answer them. We know let me see them I say it, but we don't pay them no mind. So like now, you should have called me body so I know highlight the me highlight it. So we don't go talk about that because we go highlight the fuckery them with them a chat. We go put back remember you know. Crush me that look at platform they can come back like Naya. We now go entertain him. King go boss and can't come back to me. King go suck him mama. He kill the youth and he done this so. Can't go suck out him mama. So we now go dwell for crush bread. Tell everything in Jamaica. Which make you can man the police them shoot out. Them say no get deport. That's all more I tell it. Them say no get deport. Alright.
Yeah man, the whole world here must show man.
Then kill the Louis. Now go back over there now. Man then kill her now.
No, you are going now, blah blah. You know my style guy already. Me straight goose I'm going I'm go straight police, I'm go straight military. So me a real government and I like say I just go on TikTok for keep up the entertainment and make sure I spread the truth. But what we do want to know now the people them want to give you the information, them that Cushred family, because remember now, a family are customers.
Listen to me now, tell her Bobby, that's not
no, ask you. No,
but listen to me, not no gusto, I tell them fuck it, not no gusto, where you get that from, not no gusto. I mean, I'm bumbo clad, sit there and be so chat. Naya bumbo clad, when you there. Woman, Naya father-in-law, you see me, I lie them a tell, not no gusto.
Oh.
Naya father-in-law. Oh. Yes, me not no go sir. And me and the man used to talk about things to get like stuff. Yes, yeah. I will help them get the baby get games and everything. Games and money and anything. That's all we do. The man not give me that. The whole have know what I want. You understand? The whole have know say them I late to the man for money. I don't know. Me don't know about Buckler crush bread them for now. Me don't know crush bread for. Crush bread and his father and his family use mind give me like through crush bread their family and you know his family them dead. He might make it like say you know his family no involved. What are them involved? What are them bad mind now? Yeah.
So the family.
I know. Me start giving them highlight and me start giving them answer. I can see how we give them highlight. Give them highlight.
Alright, me go stop talk about that. You talk about the music part now.
Stop talk about that. We now listen to me that done now.
Music go now.
Yes, so we talk about this. CPR thief the money them, and that's what we talk about. CPR thief.
No, but we can't talk about CPR, man.
That's what we talk about. CPR is a thief.
No, but we can't.
CPR not give them the money. With them a thief, them a crab in a barrel, and them a thief. Them a work by dead money.
No, what are the blab them? Blab them. No, man. CPR give the money, man. Because I talk to Naya mother, and CPR pay for the funeral. Him do everything what him for do. So I mean, Naya mother in a one day. So CPR go do everything. So I lie about help on CPR. Because me up on the ground. So me can't. You can call me anytime to get the information because you know some of my money enough like yours, you know. I look a bit money.
Alright then, no. Yes. I'm only kidding, but I'm not too far up there thing that too much cabin about, too much people look close up.
Alright, so the way how Naya analyzing gummy people, it's a confusion right now as to find out who are the person where really involved in him analyzing. But as Blam them say, a bag of people a look clout after the youth analyzing. You see me I say even the people them will analyze him because there's out of everybody we are discuss this and I get accused somebody out of everybody. You know what I mean? Is the person who do the analyzing. Maybe them alone not do it, them and other persons do it, but them play a role in it, them involved in it. You see me? So, who the one, none of them get no support on TikTok for real. As we blame them, I go say. You know what I mean? None of them, as we blame them, say whatever. Seeing, forget support on TikTok because them bad mind the youth analyze him and know them want bust and reap what him did I get, but them not gonna get what him did I get because people love him for him. But me could go and watch some more people. Tell me what you think.
Yeah, me don't get my clout and gun. Me not follow up that. Me not know about that.
Alright.
Me get clout. Me boss already. Me not want no more clout. Me good. Right now, stuff come like me don't get the clout. It's not worth it. Clout not worth it. But this, it come with too much bring down on this place. Me not depend that.
Yeah.
When me fall off, me come bring down back people. So now me don't bring down now. Music me a promote.
Yeah.
Song me a promote. Music. Richard, man, Richard. That me a promote the song.
Yeah,
and the song me say, where the barbz them there? Where the barbz them there? Nicky know who no man. Don't look where Junko.
Yeah.
Music me a promote. Yeah. I mean I promote no violence and so me no be for that, bro. Me tap the things the clout and now. Me don't get the clout and now. Look more.
Alright, hold on, man. Because because the man never tell me say, you're not a gate thing, and me tell him say, nah man, you're not in it, so me want to make a company come curb the partner from now. Because
no, me no chopper, me do trading, me no chopper, lie, me no do no chopping. Lie, them a tell for me. No chopper.
No man, no chopper man. They mix up you and Jayden and the Batman thing, and me tell him say, nah man, me no blame them about that part.
Boy, can't call me Batty boy, if a boy say that, me hear me.
People so...
Any ranker. Any ranker will call me name pan is. Your mad them, but Jayden, me Jayden them a TikTok kind of bro. Me can't show them a TikTok blood clot when he in there. Me TikTok, DM. When the dog text the boy match and so come me know him. Me don't know them boy if I know him, bro. I ask anybody, police. You know how me reach that foreign? Call on a station, a movie ask for blame them. And then go tell them, they know me as blame them man, because they know me vice.
Yeah.
A badness when me come up foreign and violence. So that, you know I money. So you know I hear nothing but no funny thing for my name. So when them a come mix my name with a fuckery, them a look a clout off of my name. You see me? And then go dead for the clout. Because once we know you call me name, you go dead. That's all. That's tell them that. I'm going to tell the people them say I kill them. I'm out talk here because me like views. Me do anything for views.
Well, so
when they're dead, all the people, yeah, so me then call me name. Tell them to call me name.
The boss are fully goosey the people.
You can say Salam call me president and now. Me make my name page him.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, tell me call me president. Yeah, man. So if you want to take hype and call me name again and then in dead, no problem.
Yeah.
The making go do it. Yes, man. That's what me I did, you know. Badness me I deal with. Violence. Who I did violence? Come. Them boy they know about that all. The last man this. Listen. People. When I go on YouTube, when I go support Skeng song. Black Rain. Violence me I deal with. Look more.
Yo, send me the song, blame them. Send me the new song.
Alright, then. Let me get hype. Look more you do.
Blame them. I real thing. Alright, so people. So blame them don't tell the people say a cloud. So anything what blame them say people, you understand? That means that blame them say it's incredible because you not come on a court come talk not the people. So it go but no people, but tell other people, you know what I'm saying? Crush bread and them family them people are mix up. So it's a family thing, people. So we don't want to follow the crush bread thing now, people. And we don't want to follow the Leonard thing, people. We're talking about Naya case, people. You understand? We're talking about Naya case, people. So people, they may try to spread a rumor. Because see it, you hear how blame them now, I say. Black CPR not get the money and say as me I want to blame them no say anything must say credibly no. So you see as me said no CPR get the money. You see how quick blame you say oh alright then. Cause blame them know something credible. And people blame them no answer anybody by the phone. I try to marry them for people. So but me do want to clear up the gating against blame them because oh blame them left Jamaica as a top man and Ghana for it. No. So I said blame them clear up the part of the people. I just Jayden them give my call people. And he must accept a one match people and like that. So they say the people. So come on people, taps and rose man. Yes, we tell the people. And that the same thing, blame them talking up. When we come over here so now people for go on real information, real everything, We not even get 2 taps of rose people, not even 1 lion, not even 1 wheel people, not even 1 Jonah Ark. And I'm a real businessman people, so I make more money when I mean I'm a business. But anyway people, the TikTok still have it range. I'm like it. Yes, and so big up all my people more view me worldwide. So people, so we need Leonard to come and court. Because we don't have blamed them already, people. Say I am and the family them a link. I'll do come on TV and say about the family them a link, but we still have blamed them say I about the family them link, but that's blamed people. You ever watch a show and the villain as a long time who know blame them people.
Man come back. So all you send your family and vice versa treat them. I just say that involved in know. So I said thing me I tell them about 1 cup of sauce. I said style like one of them have up. They love on talk about they not involved in know. I when them check to see they involved and them are all criminal. So I may try to show the people, talk this to them and then talk, bro. Them are all criminal, bro. I mean the feel it too. I mean I tell no fuckery. Me and them and family them a link.
See it? Blah blah say about the family them a link. Yes, and they were crushing. So I just say go people. So it is what it is, people. So every evidence point to Leonard, people. Every evidence point to Leonard. I remember in the people. This with my boy now, people. Nickens.
Alright, so people, you see, Naya analyzing, me I go tell you now. Me feel like say a lot of people involved in a Naya analyzing. You understand? Them come together and analyze him, right? And them do the confusion thing. To throw people off track to find out say them really involved in a Naya analyzing. I just saw me feel. You see me? Yeah man. Them are part of the people them where I just chat bare things. You know what I mean? And I blame this a person and that the person there to build the confusion for it not lead back to them. That is just my opinion still, but leave your opinion in the comment section and let me know what you think. We're watching a little bit more and we're going to move on to the next.
Big up yourself, lady kids, big up yourself. This now people with yardy people, this was way before Blam them come out with them story. Because Blam them done to people say him a star boy, him just do the things and forget the clout, and him like this him just gone. And him a hold by him thing. So Blam never show say him is a character, and that make people boss people character. See that?
You should have stepped with the left foot, and you step with the right foot.
And this was way before Blam them, so it's your long Leonard name call upon the people. It's your long Leonard name call upon Naya killing people, staying dead people. I remember when we call say Stain, the man him say, are you kill Naya Stain? Say, no, when me kill Naya countryman. And me say, alright, come give me the interview. I search for people. Anybody name call me, go for them. See, I go for Blam them come give me interview. Me go for Crush Bread come give me interview. Me go for Stain people, although me never get Stain interview, but at least Stain talk to me. And me before give me interview by the TV, and then kill him before him give me an interview, people. Because they never kill Stain, me da get the interview people, and me da question Stain. So people, so why Bobo come people and me interview Bobo and Bobo prove himself to be guilty, say him did have a awareness, so Naya, and him kill Naya, but him did have awareness and Naya go dead. You understand? So all of the evidence them point back to Leonard, because Naya didn't look Leonard woman. What Leonard build house for? Plus Naya start to turn star boy in the era people and start to get the whole of the glue and the glut of them people. So you can't say you're going to send letter forget the Maroon Emperor to come out for the court case. And that's a court case go people. You understand? And vice notice out there, Leonard, say your name a call upon the case. I know me put a name upon it. But I am the one who's investigating. People attempt to buy me out, people. I'm missing upon the case. So people, a matter of fact, members of the jury, Should I let go the case or should I stay on the case? Because at the end of the day, people, I'm not getting paid for this thing. I'm already got over $3.8 million in the case, people. So, should I come out for the case or should I stay on the case, members of the jury? Because at the end of the day, the father now try to find out how one of them killer. I will say, but the people will beg me to stay for the case. So, members of the jury, should I come off for the case or should I stay on the case? Alright, I get one, somebody says stay. One come off. So the most come off, I will come off and leave the case, people. Yes, and I make it go unsolved. Nobody know who killed Naya. Nobody got jail. Then them go kill another youth and do the same thing again. Until one day food time come and it happen to Uno. Then food family go come back and come on the case. So should I stay off the case, people? Should I finish solve the case? Because them say from me come on the case, lights start shine. All have a police and beg me for come on the case. Clarin and police say Emperor come on the case. The people of Panther Lane and Woolaba say Emperor. Foreign people call me for the people. Remember when them tell life on CPR and the people when they come out for the case. So should I stay on the case or should I come off, people? If you want me to say, you say Maroon Emperor, stay. If you want me to come off, you say Maroon Emperor, come off. So let me see, people. Should I come off the case? If I should leave the case, please and thanks said Maroon Emperor, stay. Maroon Emperor, come off. Maroon spell M-A-R-O-O-N. Emperor, people spell E-M-P-E-R-O-R. So, if I'm to come off the case, I got one Maroon Emperor, stay.
No, alright. You're more like a secluded life, you know, but you do your media life for the Ray and the Tay. Yeah. You know, you want that says, you know, want a me, you know, a me is not your type, a rebel is not your type, and none of them something there.
No.
They get a natural girl when a fussy or this or that. You just want somebody where you know a real to you and understand you. To understand you are your biggest thing out of a woman.
Yeah.
Understand you. You see me?
Yeah.
And we see a growth where you even know how to apologize. So you never used to fucking do as me say you want to look come back, you know. You see me? And you have growth.
You come back to be the dirty dog shit. Wait. Just
and that me no want you being a Jayden.
No. Don't make him go back to that. Don't do that. Don't make somebody.
You have
to show growth. Yeah, no. Don't make them make you go back to doing that.
Girl can't do nothing to Jayden. That when I say I get a pretty like a money, that really and truly not do nothing to Jayden. So all over, do body, body big, long hair in the back, go to the fuck down. Jayden I go fuck you and left you in that hotel room like what you just said. And normal girl.
Yo, you feel like you know me, man. Hey, you read me up in a good enough.
Any one of them stand a chance? Like if they come back, if they do a 360 and come back, you go back to one of them?
None.
Okay, so moving forward.
You know, so
you see that nice slip thing Jayden got? Jesus.
Ashley, I'm more if you get a chance still, but none of them not worried, man.
You're there. Ashley still get a chance, that means if I be really blood clot bad.
Everybody did a real for Fabi.
Ashley, you hear that? You still have a chance, Ashley. Behave yourself. You might get to come back.
No, she not a chance. No, she he must say it. Leave it alone.
Yeah. Alright, do you think Ashley is capable of putting out her own pictures?
Ashley?
Yeah.
Right now, Ashley. I did, you know. Cause when Ashley go on the live and I see them all of them things there, bro. Cause she know the type of people that were there around, okay. You see it. And when I go on the internet and I see them things there, plus I call up his paint town man, them, they want me dead, bro. You see it. And in the street, if you die them roll me and them thing there, them go and say, yo, I shit up young that. You see it, and the dog them go feel away. You see it. Yeah.
I think Fabi is capable of releasing everything. Your video and the picture them.
Which video that?
The video were out there where Ashley said she not release video.
No video no out there, bro.
It come a lot of see a video when the boy had to go to, I never you.
No, bro, I know so that video there, I swear for my life, I know me.
that they don't know say I know you that either.
Bro, that
exactly.
video, I know me, no, bro. Me just run with it, you know.
Exactly.
I see him like a big old picture with them put out, I see
Exactly.
me. Just run with it, bro. I know me, you know.
Exactly.
I
Tell them
swear to
that
God,
I know you. Okay then.
Bro, I said that boy there with another video there, that boy there mad. But I swear for my life, bro. I swear for my life, I know me, bro.
I know, yeah, okay then. Okay then.
Hold on, which one of the video them him say I know him? The video with the man on top of the ray and I dig out the back door. Other one them I say I know him. Me I wonder if that him attack. Because me would have to go watch what that the video there to see if I him or not, because me clearly see him when me watch it. I me a fool me. Me have to go look back for it and watch it still. You see me? And see if that him attack or maybe I want different video. So tell me what you think, my people. Him say Ashley can get back a link up. You know what I mean? But Fabi, boy, how Fabi do him so? Fabi do him bad still, you know. Me not gonna say, but me would say where Fabi do him so, because the things that my Fabi really do him, you know what I mean? Ashley not do him. Well, me don't know, cause Fabi deal with him bad still, but Ashley deal with him bad also. But me don't know which one of them deal with him worse, but I pertaining to him, Ashley can get back a chance and Fabi can't get back a chance, so that means that Fabi deal with him worse. Why, my people, let me know what you think. We are go watch a little bit more and then move on.
Tell us, bro. Me I tell her, bro. I know me, bro.
So Jayden say I know him in a video, but that's a question. First,
the video have mustache.
So that me I say, bro, me not no mustache, bro.
Okay.
Me I slam girl and look side to side. I work if me I slam it. Look side to side. No my house. Bro, even Ashley can know say I know me that, bro. Cause she know the position, you know.
And God, your man, one me no know behind fake page. So no fun no blood sell out long time. Not because you know take that no means saying in your intention. Cause if we make a boy send you for your show and cocky picture and batty picture, pussy.
Yeah. But okay, you know me not understand. You have some persons. Say for instance, I'm a person then where me not have no heart against nobody. Me just cold hearted. Me take everything to joke. When nobody have no problem, it don't mean nothing to me. Nothing at all don't mean nothing to me. You understand? Why should I know? Expect say people must come care about my feelings. Because I hear people talk about, oh, and Jayden and this, Jayden about people and their feelings. I am so irritated when they come. Oh, you feel, how you supposed to feel. I feel when they do people things.
Don't know, man, you don't like me. I don't have any reason to like you either. So that's it. But at the end of the day, we just have to look for Ashley as Ashley being a female just like us, with children just like us, which this can mentally our brain and all of this. Ashley, this is my thing for you. I don't know what you're going to take to say just love out Jayden because it always end bad for you. Me not tell you if you left Jayden, we not even know you and Jayden in at this point. But it always end bad. Enough of this, Queenie. Enough of this. You know, in some part of it, I blame Ashley for make it reach this far. Because when Ashley and Jayden done, Ashley just leave Jayden alone. I have seen several times where Ashley just appear out of nowhere. Every time a downfall come with Jayden, Ashley appear out of nowhere. And this is the part where no people not talk about. And this is the part where me say, every time a downfall or a ringaroo come with Jayden, Ashley appear. Because Ashley really want to see that fall for Jayden. And I do understand because she felt like she was there when he was at level 0. And now he's at 11, him level up. And she's not a part of that level up. You understand? So we don't know for that grief that she carry or the grief that she carry. She don't know how to move on from him. Because it can also be that. I have seen numerous amount of time Jayden is in a 4-way match and Ashley appear upon the screen Ashley really don't want Jamaican. Because when we see boy with earth and do things, them have to see them. It's the first thing will come to her head, pussy got that. So I don't know all that not come to her head. Me see how Jayden there Ashley appear. What a girl you do on my screen? What a girl I do on my screen? And she's like, hi Jayden, what's up? Like, why the fuck build a conversation with somebody who are public, you humiliate you. So you were there taking Jayden jokes. You were there taking Jayden disrespect. And Jayden has disrespected Ashley numerous times. Behind our back, in front of our face, on screen, off screen. We have all seen that. So this is why Queen, I know when top Panshi, a lot of people is not going to sympathize with her because you can see that one aspect and sympathize with her. And when you look, she go back and make Jayden still at this her up. You have to take, and I say, I'm not sorry for that girl, because last time I'm sorry for her. I see her on screen and the boy just at this her.
But wait, no. Not only that, remember Kay also, she was, I mean, she didn't give basket to carry water. As in, me like you, the whole internet like you, say for instance, and we come now, make them eat. Remember, you know, they put that in them head already, you know. Features not like her. It has been out there. He's them look a son of TikTok where them love and anything where them say, anything where him come and say whatever, then hate she and the whole internet from film side and how much people side of she off and hate she. You understand? Even the people them, they are willing. Look how much people in chat when say rate in chat the people that with her and them still have up Ashley and not him. I don't know, but
we have to know this.
I am really the fans of
you have to know what this now. You have to know this doing a Queenie. No matter if me and Shay come on, a lot of people know that deep down, K and blood clot Shay too look a mushroom as much as them load up their mouth and all in a self-defense mode. We love it and we soft. But nobody never ever go look for we love it and soft ways go away. They go always look on it. Big mouth, loud mouth K and share this and share that. They never look on the calmer side of anything. This is what the internet do. So you're right when them say them don't paint a bad picture for Ashley. And Ashley painted a bad picture. Me I tell you when me just dislike Ashley, the more when she give me the attitude, that was fine. I said, fuck this bitch. I don't know her. She don't know me. Fine. But then the next time, now me see her on the media. When she said, Jayden stop hitting me when Jayden never had a liquor. So me they look on that serious tone and say, Ashley, the bumbo clot here said the man a beat you and the boy not beat you. You know what? When me check it out, me sister a prank and one bag of fuckery. That's how when me say, me not be.
Hey, them do too much prank and tell too much lie. So you see when things are going on with them, real things are going on with them, people now go pay them no mind and people are go dislike them because of the whole heap of prank with them do and the whole heap of lie with them tell. You understand me? Because me know say the Lion Man and Ashley plan up and prank the people them multiple times. You see me I say multiple times them do that. You hear what case say look while the girl I say the man a lick her when the man nah lick her. So that's she telling a lie. So no enough people not gonna like her because of that. Them whole heap of prank they with them pull off. And some people are gonna love them because of the prank them too because you give them, you know what I mean, look a laughter and them something there. But here the downside of it, you know. You see the people them where I give the Lion Man theme supporters them now go like she because she a tell a lie on them and just like we she a tell a lie on him and just like we say a while ago how she say when the girl I say yo don't lick me and the man nah lick her. So right there so people them where support him I go see that and say that girl is a liar we don't like him. So I saw it go you know a majority and the people them where I watch them are the Lion Man fans, so that's why enough people don't like Ashley and enough people even believe what she has said. You know what I mean? But let me know what you think. We'll watch some more.
Business about Jayden. Really actually up to now me no business about Jayden and Ashley. Because they are always planning shit.
Yeah, but Kay, you see what you just said? When you write she why you don't write him off? Remember, he's the mastermind of the prank.
No, but me I tell you, say he is the mastermind of the problem. Yeah. But she a play the game with him.
Yes, but why don't I want?
We not mean I right of Jayden, you know why? Because we know so Jayden stay, but when you...
So why you don't say so she stay?
So why you gonna complain now? If that's the case, if Jayden is a pranker, and Jayden is a piece of shit, Jayden make it be known, say he's a piece of shit. We know say Jayden's a piece of shit. We all know Jayden is a piece of shit, you know. Jayden himself knows him is a piece of shit. But when Ashley go in all of it and become a piece of shit of Jayden with Jayden, you understand? If it end up be, you're a piece of shit, and Jayden is a motherfucking piece of shit too. Because you were all in this together. Jayden is a piece of shit, and Jayden is not a biased mindset in a mind, as I understand what them are saying now. But remember, say the whole of how much we didn't know, so when alright. When Jayden come out with this shit, say, remember time when Jayden come out with fuck the little pick me or some dumb shit to him though, and the whole of it was against Jayden, and Jayden come out and he did his apology and all of that. I'ma tell you anyway, so you can own up to who you is either people accept you or them fucking leave you alone. And this is the ultimatum that Jayden give everybody on the app. Either you take me as me is or you leave me the fuck alone. That's what Jayden, we all know that about Jayden. Either you ever take Jayden or him come, or you ever leave him the fuck alone. Now, so it's up to you if you want to accept Jayden how he is, or you go accept Jayden how he is. But then, if Ashley did all of this with Jayden because Jayden allegedly forced her, and she do what she do for make whatever, you know, woman love giving to man or whatever. You come back now, it's like always a victim play. When you was about all of this shit that him did do, you did with him while him do them.
So unfortunate, as I said. If you're going to blame one, I will understand the feelings. Because remember, you know, she's doing everything. Remember, Kay?
I just want you to know that this part
remember this. She was doing everything out of pure love. Where she love him because you married to 10 and you're gonna support 10 in every way you can. It no matter like a fuckery, you're gonna support him, but behind the door you're gonna say, babes, a fuckery I do, you know. But the woman now gonna tell you in front of people that fuckery I do. She's doing that out of pure love because him say, baby, or whatever I'm calling her, help me make some money. This is herself on TikTok. Remember, she wasn't a TikToker at the time. Remember, say, she love him, so she gonna do anything. She weak to him. You understand? Different culture. She weak. She love him from her heart. He just using thing head for her to play mind games or whatever to get her to do it.
You believe that there was never a time that Jayden never loved Ashley?
No, I'm not saying never love her. Of course, although him play it up like he didn't. Of course, you know, him did love her.
Him play it up like every other Jamaican man, weak as fuck. Continue.
Yeah, but as I'm saying, she get a raw deal, may I tell you. Because yes, she come out, you know, okay, and she apologized and she said, I did all these horrible things. She never said she right. She said when he come, him tell me if he throw the water, him tell me this is him tell her. So why is it that we can look beyond what he did, but you can't see through what she do? She come out and she bring on herself. She apologized. She said, basically, she said,
I didn't know any of that. I didn't know any of that. Remember, me
yes, she did apologize.
Yeah, tell me. So, okay, so I have it in my head to say, I see what Jayden, we know that Jayden is a piece of shit, but I thought that Ashley wasn't the type who take accountability.
No,
I
she
didn't
did.
know that she was.
Yeah,
Okay.
she did. Yeah,
Okay.
She did. She come, she said, guys, me know it's wrong, but because I love him, me do it. I apologize. I am sorry. Because she love him. She weak to him. She come. She did apologize to the internet. She took responsibility, and me applaud her for that. But him do the thing, and although him well, me not see where him take responsibility. Him just come. Oh, me
everything. Describe Jayden as nothing else but a piece of shit in our funny fucking way, because really and truly, you know, Queenie, if you really put Jayden from blood clot practice, you know, you now got have no sense, you know. So me not think normal people Jayden from practice. In all of this, are the two of them to be
It's on the crown, by the way.
Hold on. Somebody block that girl from my life. You know what? You know for black, you not black. Well, I know. Me no want nobody feel like me.
Jayden not take nothing serious with you, like
Jayden not take. You understand me? Is it you not take nothing serious? You can't look on Jayden for taking a bumbo clot accountability. If you look on, you tell Jayden for fuck you, go fuck yourself and that's it. Because me see all when me strip talk to Jayden, it took her literally couple sledgehammer, water, paint, fire, dirt, to get through to him.
Okay, not because me a fuckery, that means say I must get a free pass.
I understand that.
Hey,
no, I understand that part.
Yeah, no, me gonna say one thing before me go eat my nice dinner.
Hey, yeah, that's why you have to be careful in a life, you know, them say trouble no set like rain, you know. Look upon she being supportive to him, right? And I do what him want she for do, for build him brand, make some money, for the two of them. You see me I say, but here we go on, you know, you see the person with the bigger fan base, them I go always have the more support, and the person with the less fan base, them I go get caught up in a, like, even if them right, the one with the bigger fan base, I go get the right, because him bigger than the person with the lesser fan base. See, look, and the lion man draw she in the media, you know. She wasn't a media person, as what they must say, you know. And I love how Queen attack, you know, because most people are pick up for the lion man because him more known and him popular, him, you know what I mean, have a bigger fan base, as I said before, right? But the truth, you see me I say, but majority we twist that and make it look like say the person were wrong and them right. And plus the internet is not a place where you come get justification. You understand? The internet is a place where them support who them love most. The popular person and them win. Me I tell you, even if them are the villain. So let me know what they think the people or what some more.
When my wife cook give me, here when I go to UK before Shay take it over.
Yeah, big up yourself.
In life, a person, you see, if we, the people on TikTok, the whole Jayden accountable from their one, say, stop the fuckery. When you do a fuckery, you cannot use
Queenie, that word like that, you know, stop that, you know.
Exactly,
but a true Queenie attack.
Yeah.
If you want to with it, he would have made a change. He would have made a change. I agree with that. But no, as I say, me I want to, and I victim to say, bumper clock, I said the dog say, so we just love him. You understand me? I say, bro, you want to be to funny man. I say dog say, that's how we love him at once. We know that Jayden is a fucker man. In my eyes, somebody said the word that I look for. Jayden, I want the biggest narcissist on the app. Jayden is a mind game narcissist. Jayden, I want a little piece of shit with outsmart the whole blood clot media with him narcissistic traits where I'm having him. And he know how to play the game. And he know exactly what to do. You understand? You cannot take that from him. Me not really see nobody, me never see nobody come back from Batman argument like blood clot Jayden. You have to be one special type of narcissist.
I'm tell you.
A special type of narcissist pictures are out. And as woman most of we on the app are women, we have to feel for PR, brother. We have to just feel for her. I tell her, say, me's not a lover of Ashley. And when me see the picture there, me not tell lie. Last night, me there on live and Jabba's come out and say, oh, Ashley, come me not tell a lie. Even if Ashley did favor fuckery, me that still say it look good in my eyes on the media. And maybe I lie about Ashley, if I know you know what that out there, but you're ugly, you're clean, you look clean. You always have nice skin sitting there, and you look clean and nice. If you do anything for you, maybe you wouldn't even want to hear that from nobody because you just never want it out there in the first place. But nobody can stop call out the woman name. But as woman to woman, that shit look away, and I don't wish that on any woman. And I tell you no. You can't have nice sexual feelings and I do the sexual things there. And when people jump off, remember me telling you this, it may not happen to you now, you know, but 5 years from now, your daughter go to school and 3 months battery or rape her, and you go hold your head and rolling in the dirt and say, and what me do for deserve this? And you don't remember, say, you did all about when the picture did I go put out, you know, if you believe in a come and know so them something are real. They are so real. The karma is motherfucking real. You might sit down and laugh and this and that about Ashley and this and that and feel like it's okay. And then it happened to your kids, it happened to your nephew, it happened to your niece. And you feel some type of fucking way. You ask yourself, why my family? And you now go remember say bumbo clock 10 years ago, and me, then they send out the picture and my daddy I said this and that. Or you was the one who sent out the picture?
Yeah.
So guys, you can't use sex one another have fun enough for bring down each other. It not make no bumbo clock sense.
True. That's
when
true.
you need fuck, you enjoy the fuck. When you need a suck, you know, enjoy on the sucking, and on the fucking, and on the get high, and on the do all I wanna do in private. So guys, you know, just stop this man. You know, look good man. We already know that some of we are drunk, or we talk with drunk, or we are with germs, and we fuck them and something them. We not make we stay with that vision. We not we never did one. We already see Ashley and Jayden already, and this and all of them fuck with it. No, nobody no wants to see blood clot Jayden soft food or live food. Nobody no wants to see no Ashley pussy.
Me get an eye broke.
As I say, now it reach one point where you know them sword that you have where you pick up and you put band-aid over it and then it broke out. That's what Jayden becomes now.
Chat, double tap the screen chat.
And as I say, and the whole internet should be blamed. So we have to take the blame on the internet because what not me. Because
that's why you take the accountability to accept Jayden to say, I say him see, I'm not taking him serious. Mountain, I am asking in the name of Ashley, if you have the pictures up, can you take them down?
Nah, but nothing.
Okay.
What do I as a piece of card? You pay me big one, girl. I can't tell me for the from place.
I'm here, attack.
No, I know you. No, I'm friend.
I'm here, say,
Okay. Ask 10 point about Venom. I'm a dog. Nah, this man. Okay, there's a go tell about I was saying that big.
You just not, medium big, but not that big.
1 5 star. This is like a 1 5 star link.
Well, I know, Mountain. I about a under bumper clad people and people fucking. Look, my thing I can't cuss girl and bring down girl about a man, but we don't want to expose. He exposing sitting in a night, on the top, you know, man. Bumper clad.
Watch it now.
We don't want to see nobody push foot, bro.
Mountain, when a girl send you a picture or a video with her, respect and rate you, brother.
No, me know that. You know that my people, them men are waste man them way there.
Me have it a waste man do them thing there, brother. All of me and Cked left a million times, bro.
I never come out for me, because I don't know me that man is,
yeah, man? Oh, me not tell you. We forgot to me not talk about my video. Mountain, when I release it?
I'm going to repeat. I got to tell all of my ex, I'm afraid of my ex, them, that's not my relation.
Mountain, when I release my video?
Oh, yeah, so put the video, man. Oh, hush my dog.
Brother, I'm telling people them say me not do that again, you know.
Hush my dog. I lie me, I tell people.
Me not do them something there.
I have flames under them things there.
I want him IB.
Me not do them something there.
IB if you say your DM. Don't block her in a Jamaica, come on, no.